ride because it was a scary one. So I'm just gonna wait for her to finish the ride. Hey! And now we are in far, far away land. Hey guys, so I'm in Singapore right now for the third time in a row. I am actually going to Universal Studio because I've never been. Every time I visited, I just walked around the city. So I'm really excited and I'll show you a glimpse of it. I hope you enjoy it. Are you excited to try Singaporean toast?
Yes, very excited.
Oh my god. Somebody's very sober. So guys, this is the famous curry puffs. Just finished the toast, it was delicious. Now I'm finishing my hard boiled egg, no, soft boiled egg. That's the butter. Toast was so good, we got another one. We are trying some jellies. And this is the panda chiffon cake which she suggested. So I'm gonna try it. The coffee is really good here. So I told I wouldn't go out in Singapore, but this girl got me out. We did pinky promise. We were like, if you go, I'll go. Okay, and then I made it. You wanna go to the toilet? Okay. So we had a Singaporean breakfast, which I'm going to show you, some kaya toast. So good. So glad we did it. So we just took the metro and came here. It's quite easy in Singapore to commute. Now we are at the Sentosa Island. The last few visits, I had actually covered all the tourist attractions. Even Universal Studio, I had come until the outside, took a picture, but never got went in because I didn't want to buy the ticket. But this time I am going to buy a ticket and go in and show you guys. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. Are you excited to be here? Yes. Look at this. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing right now. She saw it and she went like, there it is. We are finally here. So we made it inside. Finally, after a while of figuring out how to take the tickets, it was quite easy. You don't have to wait in line. There's a kiosk. You just select, tap, and here you are. I feel like we are in the US with all the Walk of Fame, is it? The stars down. It's amazing. So now we're going to try some rides. Oh shoot. She's like in awe the whole time. So all the rides have a big wait time. So I would highly recommend all to get the express one. Because we're just going in like those lame rides because we're not going to wait because we've got to get back soon because my flight is in a while, so I need to rest before that as well. So yeah, there she is. Bye. So I didn't go in the ride because it was a scary one, so I'm just gonna wait for her to finish the ride. right now we are at the ancient Egypt, and then we'll be walking towards the Lost World, which is the Jurassic Park. And there are a few areas. It's a big place to visit. I would say you will need the whole day, but we are just here for a few hours, so literally taking some photos and then going back. So the entrance fee is around 250 dirhams, $81 to be precise. You can pay by card, cash, come here and buy as well. It's not so crowded as expected, but yeah, the wait time is pretty long, I would say, so definitely get the express entry. Hey! But you wouldn't come back here again, yeah?
I wanted to do everything in it. Can I have a picture? Can I just catch all the...
Ta-da! This is the only ride I'm gonna go on, guys. So guys, this is the ride you're gonna go on. Woohoo! This is literally expectation versus reality. I'm living it right now. Woohoo! Oh my. And now we are in far, far away land. Basically the Shrek themed. It's beautiful. You think you will go to these big rides? We are in kids rides, but we are enjoying the time.
A spaceship? Ha! This just with the satellite here!
So guys, this was the short and sweet vlog of Universal Studios. I hope you liked it. But do come for a day, I would say, and definitely take that express entry.
for sure.
Because every ride has 30 to 60 minutes waiting.
Yes.